A lot of people in the greater Fresno area know about Lee's. When they think of Lee's, they think of a premier HVAC and plumbing company that has funny billboards and clever advertising. Sure, we'll fix a broken air conditioner in the sweltering heat of the valley or a busted line which flooded your basement, but a lot of companies do that. What makes Lee's so special? Well, it started 10 years ago when we asked ourselves that same question. You see, a lot of companies try to define themselves with some long, confusing mission statement that's difficult to memorize and even more difficult to live up to. Most affordable service in town, it's been done. Service 24 hours a day, get in line. Rather than attempting to guess what everyone else wanted to hear, we asked ourselves, what are we truly good at? We serve people, and not just our customers, but our coworkers and community as well. And you know what? It should be fun. Thus, our mission statement was born. Serve people, our customers, our coworkers, and our community, and have fun doing it. Now that's a mission we can all get behind. With this mission, we know that we have a business that is active in its community and sponsorships for all sorts of nonprofits that directly impact the lives of thousands of people throughout the valley. Places like Make-A-Wish Foundation, Central Valley Blood Center, and many others. We'll serve our employees by creating a work environment rivaled by none. Things like a full gym, arcade in the break room, free vending machines, massage chairs, company BBQs on our Traeger grill, and so much more. We'll serve our customers by always being honest with them, putting the customer experience at the forefront of everything we do, and constantly look for ways to exceed your expectations. In the end, it is the people that makes Lee's so different from everyone else. Everyone is driven by and guided by this mission, to serve people. The billboards and advertising are just all part of the fun.